Welcome back to Maya Explains Everything. This is the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hey everyone, I am Alex, and this is Maya.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
Maya, last episode you taught everyone how to ask for directions.
Yes, and now you know the way. But what if it is too far to walk?
Then you need the bus, or the train, or the metro.
Exactly. Today we talk about public transport.
Public transport, buses, trains, trams, and the metro.
Buying tickets, finding your platform, getting off at the right stop.
All in English. Do not worry. We make it easy for you.
Ready? Let us start.
First, the big question, where do you buy a ticket?
At the ticket machine. Or at the ticket office with a real person.
The ticket machine is that big screen at the station.
Most machines have an English option. Look for the flag button.
But sometimes you need to talk to someone. And then,
You say, one ticket to the city center, please.
one ticket to, and then the place. That is all.
One ticket to the airport, please. Two tickets to the museum, please.
And now a very important question. One way or return?
One way means you only go. You do not come back.
Return means you go and come back. 2 trips, 1 ticket.
In America, people say round trip instead of return.
One way, return, round trip. Now you know them all.
Sometimes the person asks, single or day pass?
A single is 1 trip. A day pass is unlimited trips for 1 day.
If you travel a lot in one day, the day pass is a good deal.
Okay, you have your ticket. Now what?
Now you find your platform. The platform is where you wait for the train.
Look at the big screen. It says, Train to Amsterdam, Platform 5.
Platform 5. So you walk to platform 5 and wait.
If you cannot find it, ask, Excuse me, which platform for the train to Amsterdam?
Which platform for... Super useful question.
For the bus, it is not a platform. It is a bus stop.
The bus stop. The place with the sign where the bus stops.
And in the metro, people often say track or line.
Line 2 to the center. The blue line. The red line.
Metro maps have colors. Follow the color. Follow the line.
Now, on the bus or train, you need to know, where do I get off?
To get off means to leave the bus or train.
And to get on means to enter. Get on. Get off.
I get on the bus at the station. I get off at the museum.
If you are not sure, ask the driver. Does this bus go to the beach?
Does this bus go to... Ask before you get on. Very smart.
Or ask another passenger. Excuse me, which stop is for the museum?
People love to help. Really, they do.
And here's a golden phrase. Can you tell me when to get off?
Can you tell me when to get off? You ask the driver.
And the driver says, sure, I will tell you.
Then you relax. No stress. The driver remembers you.
One more thing. Sometimes you must change.
To change means you leave one train and take another train.
Take line 1, then change at Central Station to line 3.
In America, they also say transfer, change, transfer. Same idea.
And listen for this word at the station. Delayed.
Delayed means the train is late. It comes, but later.
The train is delayed by 10 minutes. Annoying, but okay.
Worse is canceled. Canceled means the train does not come at all.
Then you ask, when is the next train?
When is the next train? When is the next bus? Always the next one.
Okay, time to practice. A little dialogue. I am at the ticket office.
And I work there. Let us go.
Good morning. One ticket to the city center, please.
Of course. One way or return?
Return, please. I come back tonight.
That is $8.50, please.
Here you are. Which platform is it?
Platform 3. The train leaves in 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you. Oh, one more question. Do I need to change?
No, it is direct. No change needed.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Have a good trip.
And scene. Easy, right? Just a few small phrases.
Ticket, platform, and go. You can travel anywhere now.
Let us repeat the most important words from today.
One way, only going. Return, going and coming back.
The platform, where you wait for the train.
The bus stop, where you wait for the bus.
Get on, enter, get off, leave.
To change, take another train, also called transfer.
Delayed. The train is late. Cancelled. The train does not come.
And the golden phrase, can you tell me when to get off?
And now, it is time for our word of the day.
The word of the day is platform.
Platform. The place at the station where you wait for your train.
Which platform for the train to Amsterdam?
The train leaves from platform 5.
Go to platform 2. Wait on the platform.
Platform. Say it with us. Platform.
Perfect. You are ready for any station in the world.
Okay, everyone. That is the end of episode 12.
Today we talked about public transport, tickets, platforms, getting on and off.
And our word of the day was platform.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments, bus, train, or metro. What do you use?
Write it in English. We read everything.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.